Alright guys, we are back with another video today. We're going to be talking about the Spartan. This is the tray from the new Spartan SR. As you can see, we got the new motor in here. This is an SS S2200 kV, and we have a new Hobbywing ESC. I'm just going to show you how I'm going to attach the Hobbywing ESC. I think this is probably going to be the easiest way. So I'm going to double up these zip ties. Hopefully this will work. This ESC is really big. So we have to do a third on this. If you have long zip ties, you probably won't have to worry about this, but I don't have really long ones.
Anyway, just put it in here. What's that? It's the dead letter bin. It's all the stale mail we never got delivered for one reason or another. Incomplete address.
So I think that should stay. We're gonna put another set around it. So I'll have to go grab a couple more.
Well, this is horrible. I'm gonna organize these. There might be some we could be sent. That's above and beyond, Lois. You know, you do the uniform proud. Like I like
Hopefully,
to think Chili dog got me.
I don't have a problem mounting this tray back down with these zip ties over the top of it. There we go. So I'll go grab a couple more zip ties, and then I'll be back. Okay, so there we go. We got everything mounted up on the tray. I'm gonna try putting this in the boat quick. I don't think it's gonna. So let me grab the boat now. So guys, we kind of got it in there. It looks like it might work, but those motor wires are just binding with that end really quick here. I'm going to try to shove it down with some screws and see what happens. I'm hoping I don't strip nothing out. I'll be back in a second. Alright guys, so we got everything installed and everything looks good and lined up. So, we're going to put some new line on this boat.
Plus a year of elite benefits and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Call 1-855-834-8550 now.
This is the way I put my line in. Makes it a little bit easier. Cut it at the edge. And then I get through there. And you can start pulling it through. Yeah, that's pretty loose on that. Heck, so let me see. We'll throw the zip tie on it. Just to make sure it don't fall off easy. The stuff in the boat should be bigger because it's bigger fittings. And I think what I'm going to do, I do have some aluminum parts coming for this, so we're going to changing this up again. But I'm probably going to run this bolt before then. So, let's go to motor first, right here. That fitting way better. Then we're gonna come out from our motor. And I want to keep this kind of as short as possible, just so we have water flowing quick. And put it right here. Even. And right here to the motor. It fits, the line fits the motor perfect. So there's that one. And then I think I'm going to leave this one actually, just because of that outlet.
We don't want raisins on Halloween. We want candy.
Hey, Quagmire, can I get in on this?
Hey, kinda got my own game going on over here.
that should be good. Get that line on there. We got our on-off switch in here. That should be good. So there is a couple things I'm worried about with this boat, guys, that we're going to talk about. I think I'm going to end up taking this on-off switch out and probably just direct wiring the on-off. So when you plug a battery in, it works. And the only other thing, I think that's it actually. I think I'm pretty happy. I mean, this line that I ordered actually matches the color of the boat really well. We've got some metal stuff coming, guys. This is only part 2. So when I'm ready to film that video, it'll be part 3. Make sure you subscribe and like to see that video where we are overhauling this whole boat, guys. We have already put in electronics, new cooling lines, and we got more stuff coming. So just be ready for it, guys. Thank you. So guys, I actually did lie. I did find a receiver, so we're gonna go ahead and bind this out.
It's fine, you landed on people.
Go Spartan.
You do trucks that work harder and play harder. You do trucks that outperform performance. And you do trucks that
Clean that off.
every rule of truck
Out
show.
of here.
So this truck month, what you should do. So what you do.
So I think we actually do got those motor wires plugged in correctly.
So does their litter. Keep your home sanitary with the litter that kills 99.9% of odor-causing bacteria. That's Pride, the antibacterial cat litter.
At Excel Energy, we're big into the little things. Because little things add up. Millions of even the smallest steps are just that. Millions of steps, all in the right direction. That's why we have programs that save you money, all of which add up to a carbon-free future. See how you do it at excelenergy.com/ways to save.
Making it big so I can be inspired to save. Start with BMO for a more solid way to save. We give you a cash reward every month to keep you motivated.
What's your muse?
I thought it was kind of obvious.
So there we go, guys. We got that all bound. Okay, so our reverse is a lot quicker. So I'm gonna go ahead, turn it off.
Is somebody calling my name?
I don't think so.
Now I think I do hear something. I should probably go see me once. I know I'm a nerd, but I have like a thing for rich guys.
Oh boy, she's getting in his helicopter.
So for some reason, guys, I guess the inner liner is pulling out. So I'm gonna have to figure that out, and then we'll be back. So sadly, guys, I'm gonna have to find a different way to mount this motor. The motor is too wide, and it's going down. It's hitting the chassis, and it's keeping this from mounting. And then when I mount this down, it's twisting the motor with the plastic, and it's making it so it can't mount correctly, and then it's unwinding it, and it's screwing up my alignment. So sadly, that's not going to work. We may just throw the stock motor back in this thing and run out with the stock motor with the upgraded ESC. Put the parts I have coming on the back, and move on with the day and call it a day, and try to find a thinner motor maybe. But this motor is not going to fit. And there's no way to make it fit because you can't crib out the chassis. So that kind of sucks. That really sucks because I was really looking forward to running this motor, but I guess not. So I'll have to figure something else out. I will look and see if I can find maybe a smaller can round motor. And if I can make that work, then I can make that work. and that's what we'll do. But this video will be continued.